Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Let's analyze this stock Tata Steel. If we take a quick look of this stock, then you will understand that this stock is actually trading near its support. Okay, but is it trading in a good note or in a bad note? Then you will understand that this stock is not trading in a very good note. Okay, why it is not trading in a very good note? Because see, this stock had a early resistance of this level. Okay, and before that this stock had a resistance of this level. Okay, what happened? The stock opened around here, took this level as a resistance 743 and start to fell. Okay, it fell that day drastically. Okay, and after that again, if you will see, then you will find out that this stock is unable to cross this level of 743. Okay, which is 0.786 level for this stock. See, this is the swing low, this is the swing high. Okay, now what and how we should trade this stock and what is my analysis? Okay, uh, let's see. If the stock tomorrow breaks this support line, okay, any candle goes below this level and closes below 718, 717, okay, then we can short this stock for easy 6 rupees target, 711.5. Okay, and if the stock continues to fall for first 15, 30 or 45 minutes, then you will see that this stock will continue its downside journey and will fall till 689 rupees. Okay, why 689? Because below 711.5, if the stock sustains below 711.5 for 40-50 minutes or 1 hour, then this stock will break this 703 level and start to go even further downside for the target of 690.89 rupees. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Tata Steel. The stock is not actually looking good in chart. If it breaks this resistance 700, if it breaks this support 718, 717, then it will continue its downside journey for 711 or even 690 rupees. Okay, and one more thing, if the stock manages to close above, to give a closing above 742.43, then only it will turn bullish. But one more thing, if you will see it closely, then you will find out that this level will also act as a resistance, 750 rupees psychological level. Okay, so if it goes above 742.43, there is no buying position until or unless the stock closes above 750 rupees. Okay, so this is my short analysis for Tata Steel. Thank you for watching.